So problem says that two trains of equal length cross a pole in 15 seconds and 20 seconds respectively. In what time will they cross each other? So distance should be taken as what? Speed into time. And when a train is going to surpass a pole, the train will have to cover its own length. Yahi to hai. So the total distance that the train is going to cover is going to be its own length. What is the speed? We do not know what is the speed. So I'll take that the speed is s, right? And time is 15 seconds. And this is, let the distance, let the length of the trains be x, not the. So speed of the very first train should be total length of the train divided by 15, and that is meter per second. Similarly, you can find out what is going to be speed of the second one. So speed of the second one is total length of the train divided by the time that it is taking to cross the pole. So we have found out S1 and S2. In what time will they cross each other? When they're moving in the same direction. When they are moving in the same direction, please understand this. If the trains are moving in the same direction, how do you find out the relative speed? In order to find out the relative speed, you need to subtract the smaller from the larger, right? तो अभी इन दोनों में बड़ा कौन है? बड़ा वही है जिसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है. तो अब क्या होगा? This is x negative 15 over minus x negative 20. Let's take the LCM. This is going to be 4x minus 3x, and that is x by 60. Meter per second is going to be the relative speed of the train provided they both are moving in the same direction. We have found out the relative speed. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We know the distance, right? What does this problem ask? In what time? So please understand this. Distance is equal to speed into time. We know the collective distance. The collective distance is going to be the length of both of the trains, which is x plus x, और ये distance collectively आएगा 2x. The relative speed that we have found out is x upon 60, right? And then time you need to find out. So x and x are gone. So time is coming out as what? 60 into 2, and that certainly is 120 seconds, right? Which option is the right option out here? Option number B is the right option. Please be mindful that time, speed, distance is a really important topic for your examination.